It's not scrambled eggs. It's ACKEE. If you don't know what breadfruit is, use the Google machine. It will tell you. My name is Tamara and this is my channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good day, good evening, good night from wherever you're watching and whatever time you're watching. Today we'll be making something true to yard people life, true to Jamaicans. I'll be making ACKEE and saltfish or salted cod with roasted breadfruit, but I'm gonna do an oven roasted breadfruit. If you've been keeping up with me, you know I freeze a lot of my vegetables, or almost all the ones that can be frozen that turn out right when it's cooked. So my peppers, my tricolor peppers, obviously it's frozen. Thyme, my green onions. So I have a nice big tomato. I like to peel it because the skin doesn't get dissolved and I don't like the skin. But there's more than one ways to do this. You could peel it like this, or you could blanch it where you slice the bottom in across, do the same thing for the top. Drop it in some hot water. Once you see the skin starts peeling away from the flesh, you know it's ready. You take it out, the skin peels right off. So this tomato is pretty big. I might not use all of it, and I don't like all the seeds. I'm gonna squeeze some out. Add some Scotch bonnet so it's a little spicy. Jamaica's national fruit. We use it in our national dish, which is ackee and saltfish. It's really salted cod, but you know, Jamaicans, we have our own names for things that other countries may call something else. So this is ackee, and I'm doing an ackee and saltfish dinner, or you could have it for lunch or brunch, typically eaten for breakfast, or I guess it depends on how you feel, what time of the day you want to eat it. Before serving, you want to take out your thyme. That big chunk of scotch bonnet that I put in, you don't want to eat that. You just want the flavor. Breadfruit, look it up. It's part of our culture. We always eat this. Like I said, it typically goes with ackee and saltfish, but you can eat it with whatever. And it tastes like nothing. So you have to have it with some kind of meat or fish, or ackee and saltfish, to get the, or to pair it with, so it tastes good. So typically also this is cooked outside on a coal stove, so charcoal stove, so it would get really dark. Well, not even dark, it would get black and look burnt on the outside, but inside is cooked. I opted for the oven. Same thing, same results, except that if you cook it on the charcoal, you get a little smoky flavor, which is really nice, but I don't have that option, so oven it is. You test it like a cake. Stick a fork, stick a knife, stick a toothpick, something. As soon as it goes in and it comes out, it goes in smooth, it comes out smooth, that means it's ready. So we could plate now. Holding it in a towel because it's hot. You could peel it hot, you could wait till it's cold, and then you peel it, which is safer. But I don't want to wait, so here goes nothing. And Tamara, are you gonna do the square versus round again? Yes, I am. Circle or square? If you didn't know, obviously, or maybe not obvious for some people, I made ackee and saltfish, or cod, salted cod, with roasted breadfruit. But I did oven roasted breadfruit. You know this tastes good. This is not scrambled eggs. Thank you for watching. Thank me for cooking. Thank you for not tuning out. Stay true to yourself. Peace out.